podcast with the Mini B 3S speed run. Currently zeroed out. I hope you can see that on the glare on the screen. We're gonna track, start, make sure it's reading, we're good. Hey, another speed run pass. Last run 61 miles per hour on 3S. Really hoping to go. Really wanted 65 on this gearing. Don't know if we're gonna get that. Been kind of stuck at 62 on this power system. Hobbywing 30 amp speed controller. Here we go. Out of range. See if we can bring it back. There we go, back, coming back at us. Kinda don't think that was it. 62 again if we're lucky. This is our second pass today, so the battery's already a little bit warm. Just did a little quick charge to top it off. Let's see where we're at. Stop, read 62, so back to where we're at. I've been at 62 for a while, geared up a couple teeth, still stuck at 62. I think we're about out of power. Gonna have to look at a new speed controller motor system. But for now, gotta go attend to the baby. 62.